Meaning of debrief.
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 Debrief. The term debrief refers to the act of getting information from someone who has just completed a task or mission. It is an important process in various fields, such as military, intelligence, and business. A debriefing session typically involves asking questions to gather details about what happened, what went well, what didn't go well, and what could be improved. The aim is to gain insights that can inform future actions and decisions. Effective debriefing can improve performance, enhance learning, and build trust among team members.